Well, good afternoon, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for this February the 15th, 2023. I hope everybody's having a great Wednesday out there so far. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well. If you have not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button today. Love to have you on board. Also, if you're a new viewer, like I said, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And also, everybody that has subscribed, I want to thank everybody for supporting my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And also, if you can share these videos, like these videos, it goes a long way across the YouTube and the YouTube channel to reach more people out there. I hope everybody considers subscribing to my channel that has not subscribed to it. Like I said, jump on board. I do great weather forecast updates, so just come on board. I'd love to have you on board there. Okay, well, let's talk about what we're going to be talking about in today's video. We're going to be talking about the forecast charts across the lower 48. Also, we're going to be talking about the Storm Prediction Center outlooks. We're going to take a look at the tornado perimeter across the middle portion of the country where the severe weather is. We're going to take a look at the Washington warning map, and also we're going to take a look at the 8 to 14 day outlook on the temperatures and precipitation across the nation. Okay, well, let's dive on into the forecast here now. We're looking at your forecast for Wednesday, February the 15th. Okay. We got mixed precipitation, some rain showers over portions of the northeastern United States. Also, we have showers, thunderstorms over a good portion of the United States, extending from near southern Illinois all the way back into West Virginia, down to the Atlanta metro area, also down to the Houston area, and also back over toward the Oklahoma region. Also in the yellow slashed area, that's where severe weather should kick up later this afternoon. And there will be a severe weather outbreak in that, and you will see that in the Storm Prediction Center page in just a few minutes. We have mixed precipitation and snow falling from a portion of Michigan to Wisconsin, all the way over to Minnesota, back down into a portion of Kansas, and all the way back into New Mexico. Snow on the backside, and like I said, this includes Arizona, portion of Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado, Nebraska, Iowa, and portion of Minnesota. Minnesota. Also, high pressure dominate pretty much portion of the west coast of the United States. All right, here's where things gets interesting. Here, we got the East Coast is that's the active weather pattern. Pretty quiet across the western portion of the United States. So just a little bit of activity around Vancouver, Canada, and down into Seattle, Washington. Alright, we have mixed precipitation, freezing rain, snow, extending from portion of the northeast through southeast Canada, all the way back into portion of northeast Kansas. And also we have from New Hampshire all the way through PA, back down into portion of Kentucky, and also over toward Illinois. In this yellow slashed area, this is where severe weather is kicking up. There's maybe some severe weather with damaging winds, tornadoes, and large hail. And in this area here, I'm expecting showers and thunderstorms, extending from the Boston metro area all the way back into the Atlanta metro area, also back into the Houston metro area as well and surrounding vicinity. And also we have a little pocket of flash flooding possible over across Kentucky and also a portion of Tennessee. Alright, now here's a look at day 3 outlook. All the activity is moving over to the East Coast. West Coast still looks pretty quiet. Little system coming in around the Seattle, Washington area over in the northwestern portion of the United States. Snow flying over portion of Canada, portion of northern Wisconsin and northern Michigan, also portion of Montreal, Canada, and portion of Maine. Mixed precipitation extended from Maine all the way back into the Appalachian Mountains, West Virginia, and portion of Kentucky. Showers and thunderstorms extended from Boston all the way down to Florida. Showers and thunderstorms ahead of the front. And also we have showers also extended in Atlanta and Alabama regions as well. Okay, Storm Prediction Center time. This is our day 1 outlook for today. We have a General thunderstorm in the lighter green area. Darker green is marginal risk. Slight risk in the yellow. And the oranger looking color is the enhanced risk for severe thunderstorm. And if you're in these areas on the marginal risk, this includes the cities of Nashville, Tennessee, Jackson, Mississippi, Springfield, Missouri, Evansville, Indiana, and Beaumont, Texas. If you're in the slight risk area, this includes Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, Plato, Texas, Garland, Texas. And if you're in the enhanced risk, this includes the cities of Memphis, Tennessee, Jackson, Tennessee, North Little Rock, Arkansas, Jonesboro, Arkansas, and Pine Bluff, Arkansas. Okay, here's a look at the tornado probability in the areas. We have a 2% area in the green, 5% in the brown, and 10% in the hatched area. And this includes the same cities I called out just a few minutes ago. All right, now we're going to take a look at wind probability. 5% in the brown, 15% in the yellow, and 30% in the red. And these include the same cities that I called out earlier. Okay, hail probability is 5% in the brown, 15%, and a little bit of a 10, maybe a slight, I'd say maybe higher chances over in Oklahoma and portions of Texas for hail. So, and if you're in these areas here, same areas that will get affected by the severe weather in the marginal, enhanced, and slight risk areas. All right, the activity shifts to the east. In the lighter green, general thunderstorm. Marginal risk in the darker green. Yellow is slight risk, and the enhanced risk is more of an orange color. And if you're in the cities of the marginal risk area, this includes Indianapolis, Indiana, New Orleans, Louisiana, Cleveland, Ohio, Atlanta, Georgia, and Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And if you're in the slight risk area, this includes the cities of Columbus, Ohio, Memphis, Tennessee, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, Montgomery, Alabama, and Mobile, Alabama. And if you're in the enhanced risk, this includes the cities of Nashville, Tennessee, Cincinnati, Ohio, Louisville, Kentucky, Lexington, Fayetteville, Kentucky, and Birmingham, Alabama. And let's take a look at the tornado probability. If you, let's see, 2% in the green, 5% in the brown, and 10% in the hatched area. And if you live in any of these areas here, these are the same cities I called out just a few minutes ago. Okay, with the wind probability, 5%. We have a 5% in the brown, 10% in the 15% in the yellow, and 30% in the red. And this includes the same cities that I called out just a few minutes ago also. And let's take a look at the hail probability. And 5% in the brown, 15% in the yellow. This includes the cities in the brown: Nashville, Tennessee, Cincinnati, Ohio, Louisville, Kentucky, Lexington, Fayetteville, Kentucky, and Baton Rouge, Louisiana. And in the 15%, Birmingham, Alabama, Tuscaloosa, Alabama, Hoover, Alabama, Hattiesburg, Mississippi, and Metairie, Mississippi. All right, now we're going to go ahead and look at the tornado perimeter. This is the long track tornado perimeter. As you can see, we head through time. These long lines here, that's where a tornado possibly could occur in any of these areas here. And they could be long track tornadoes, from EF0 to EF4, possible. Cannot rule that out. Mainly EF3, but like I said, that's why I throw it in the 4, because there's a possibility that EF4 could occur. Not to scare anybody, but just want to keep everybody prepared. And there's a possibility that could happen. Alright, now we're going to take a look at the watches and warning map across the lower 48. Alright, here we go. We got winter storm warning extending all the way from portions of Arizona all the way over to Wisconsin. Winter storm watching, winter storm warning, winter weather advisories in effect for a winter storm that will drop plenty of snow for you guys. Also, we have wind advisories, lake wind advisories, special weather statements scattered across the nation. And also, we have freeze warnings over in California and portions of Arizona. Alright, and finally in our video, we're going to talk about the Climate Prediction Center for the 8 to 14 day out. This runs from February 22nd through February 28th. We have above normal temperatures over the southeast, below normal over the northeastern United States, and much of the west and northwest portion of the United States will be below normal. Also, here's a look at the precipitation outlook for the same period, February 22nd through the 28th. We got below normal temperature, below precipitation chances across Florida back into Texas, near normal precipitation in the in the gray area, slightly above average across the Carolinas, back over the portion of Arizona, and then above normal precipitation over the west portion of the United States and the northern portion also. Okay, well, this wraps up our video for today. And like I said, if you have not subscribed to my channel, hope you consider subscribing. And like I said, if you like these videos, hit the like button, share these videos, get them out to as many people as possible, and we will catch you back in the next one.